Introducing the QuietCool Clean Air Window Screen, the ultimate solution for transforming your indoor environment. Available in convenient 8-foot rolls ranging from 28 to 72 inches in width, each roll is good for 2 to 3 windows. Concerned about air pollution? Our innovative 3-layer construction features a proprietary nano mesh filter boasting an impressive MERV 5 value. This means you can trust it to capture and filter out a wide range of particles, ensuring cleaner, fresher air in your home. The QuietCool Clean Air Window Screen is able to filter out up to 70% of PM10 particles and up to 40% of PM2.5 particles, ensuring your family breathes easier. Let the breeze in while keeping dust and allergens out. The tight woven mesh allows for improved UV and heat resistance while still maintaining high visibility and optimal air transfer. And better yet, installation is a breeze. Transform your living space in minutes with our easy-to-install Clean Air Window Screen. Elevate your indoor experience with the QuietCool Clean Air Window Screen and start breathing better today.